This is Simple Spray Creativity Kit from Old and New. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. This kit will help you create beautiful cards and projects for loved ones using various alcohol marker colouring techniques. The stamp set included features a large hand-drawn peony stem with encouraging sentiments for all occasions. The kit includes peony spray stamp set, permanent black oval ink pad, red Cosmos artist markers, and green Fields artist markers. An exclusive inspiration guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information on Simple Spray Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altandnew.com.